This is the SYNCROIL UHP hydroblasting robot, working in real shipyard conditions. In this case, it operates inside cargo hold spaces, even under rain and high humidity. The unit can perform horizontal, vertical, and fan-shaped passes without moving the drive chassis. Compared to alternative systems that rely on chassis movement, this feature is particularly important, as the continuous pulling and dragging of UHP hoses is one of the factors contributing to operational wear. Ultra-high pressure hoses are critical components. They are rigid, heavy, vibrate during operation, exposed to crushing by other vehicles or the robot itself, and can be dangerous if they fail. Eliminating continuous dragging reduces mechanical stress, lowers operational costs, and improves safety. The robot's long-reach telescopic arm makes it particularly useful in confined spaces or hard-to-access areas. The nozzle head has an orientation system that allows its twin rotating wheels to be positioned according to the direction of movement. This is another distinctive SYNCROIL feature, allowing a wider effective pass and optimizing performance in both horizontal and vertical sweeps. The operator can select the most suitable working mode depending on the area, space available, convenience, or to reach ceiling and floor corners. This flexibility in operation and control clearly enhances overall process efficiency. The unit can also perform upward passes. Thanks to the high degree of head sealing, water does not fall onto previously treated surfaces, preventing damage to the finish or flash rust downstream. This means the operator is not forced to work in a single direction, avoiding time losses associated with frequent boom repositioning. The robot can strip surfaces while leaving them completely dry. This normally delays the onset of flash rust significantly, which under optimal conditions, dry environment, no rain and low humidity, could take several days to appear. The robot maintains these capabilities even on curved surfaces, automatically controlling the movement direction, speed, and head pressure to compensate for the reaction force. This is achieved through the automatic synchronization of the lift, telescopic extension, and boom rotation, a feature exclusive to SYNCROIL. This enables the automatic tracking on vertically curved surfaces, providing a significant advantage over similar devices that lack these capabilities. The robot can work on flat surfaces, curved surfaces, ceilings, floors, and even between the vertical ribs of a hold, adapting to any hull geometry. The combination of the advanced control system and the flexible blasting head directly impacts process efficiency. Overall, the SYNCROIL robot represents a technological innovation that optimizes efficiency, safety, and stripping quality, taking the UHP hydroblasting process to a new level in the naval industry.